All right, well, there's one thing I hate is an ugly trash can area, and I'm about to do something about it. All right, well, what you can see is that I poured a rough concrete slab here. The mud has washed down on top of it. Of course, I did dig it out a little bit, so I had a place to put it. I always knew I was going to tackle this project. I just didn't know when. But there's some rock ledge that's already in here, so I'm going to brush this stuff off, and then I'm going to utilize all the stone that I have left over, and I'm barely putting a dent in the stone that I do have, and I'm going to build a rock wall here. Now, I'm nowhere near as good as Juan. I don't consider myself a mason, but I do know how to mix mortar, and I do know how to set rocks. So I'm going to be doing very little hammering and a lot more troweling. All right, now we're gonna mix up the Type S mortar. I'm using Quikrete. We need to put in 5 quarts mixed with Quikrete. And I picked up some colorant from Quikrete. It's Color Buff. It's what we used everywhere. I'm probably gonna use a third to a half. I'm gonna kind of dilute it a little bit because I'm gonna need 2 bags of this mortar. I've only got 1 right here right now, so I don't want to waste it all in that. So I'm gonna get started mixing right now. So you can kind of see what I'm doing. I'm making the corner. I'm going to start on this other edge over here and get that corner straight. So I'm really no mason. Obviously you can tell everything is rough, but I'm not doing a lot of chipping, so a little bit more mortar to it than what Juan did. He makes it look easy. I think masonry, stonework is just hard in general. So anyway, a lot of respect for those guys, and anyway, we're going to keep going around this corner and build it up, and you'll kind of get a sense of the little trash can surround that that's going to be here. And then hopefully we'll add a roof and cover and a door. Alright, well, it's a new day. We got the 3 sides done. I left it sit overnight. I backfilled with some Quikrete concrete to fill the void. It's just going to help stabilize it. I think we got some good thick walls. Everything seems pretty sturdy. So I'm going to start building up from here. And I'm going to throw this thing on time lapse and you can see it in progress. right, all you loyal fans and followers. I am really disliking this job. I am not a mason. Why didn't you guys tell me just hire it done? So I've come up with a new technique that is called rustic farmhouse stone wall. That's what we're going with. I actually kind of like it. Looks like something that a preschooler did. Actually, I think it looks like something that maybe the 1800s, something like that. So I've got the 3 sides done. I've backfilled behind the wall with concrete. We added some more concrete back there. It's about, I'd say about a 30-inch wall right now. So the last thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go pick out some really flat, nice capstones, and we're gonna cap it off, and hopefully that'll be the last of it until I decide to do the same thing all over again at the parcel box in the front. So, rustic farmhouse. All right, guys, so it started raining on us. Jana ran down and grabbed the tarp and some trash bags, so we made a makeshift cover here to protect everything. We got the rain cap on. Unfortunately, you can't see it because my GoPro died. Battery's no good. So I got to get a new battery for the GoPro, and we'll see you tomorrow, and hopefully this thing doesn't look like trash. All right, let's see what it looks like this morning. Wow, I'm kind of impressed. I like it. Now, I need to get busy working the joints, tooling them out, making them look clean. Well, the next project will be to build an enclosure that hides it. Not exactly sure how I'm going to do it yet, but I love the stonework, and I want to just hide this trash can. So something's going to come around to hide it. But overall, this project is complete.